Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show how to hide the chat name from the Windows title bar on the Telegram app on your PC. This is a really useful privacy feature, especially if you don't want others to see who you're chatting with when Telegram is open on your screen. Let's get right into it. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the main screen where you can see your chats. Now, look at the top left corner of the app. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. Once the menu opens, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize your Telegram experience. Next, scroll down a bit until you find the Advanced option and click on it. This section contains more detailed settings that aren't visible in the basic menu. Inside the Advanced settings, keep scrolling until you see an option called Show Chat Name. By default, this option is turned on, which is why your chat name appears in the Windows title bar. To hide it, simply uncheck the box next to Show Chat Name. And that's it. As soon as you disable this option, Telegram will stop displaying the chat name in the title bar,